Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Renogy's 100 watt 12 volt solar panel, the Flashfish's 560 watt 140,400 milliamp 520 watt hour power generator, and the Bateria Power's 10-foot 10 AWG MC4 to Anderson solar panel plug-and-play power cable. Now, I have already done a review of this Flashfish power generator. Link up here as well as down below. It is a 560 watt, 140,400 milliamp, 520 watt hour power station. And I have been using this power generator to run my laptop during the hours of 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is the peak hours for the most expensive time for electricity here in California. So I will charge it up early in the morning and use it during the peak hours, and I will charge it up via the power cable that was provided with the power generator. Now it also has the Anderson connector and the 5521 barrel connector input ports. Now the DC input voltage is 15 volts at 6 amp max. Now it has two AC output ports and a bunch of DC output ports as well as USB output ports. And here we have the Renogy's 100 watt 12 volt high efficiency monocrystalline rigid solar panel. Now it weighs in at just 14.1 pounds. It is IP67 waterproof. It is constructed with a durable tempered glass surface, which allows for optimal light transmission and has a sturdy aluminum frame. And it comes with 20 pre-drilled holes for easy installation. Now it delivers an average of 500 watt hours per day with 5 hours of direct sun exposure. So it is a perfect match for the Flashfish power generator. And we also have the Bateria Power's 10-foot 10 AWG MC4 connector to the Anderson connector power station connector cable, so we can connect the solar panel to the power station. Now the Anderson connector on this cable setup is a free assembly design, so it can be set horizontally or vertically depending on the Anderson port on the power generator. So as you can see, it is going to be a very easy setup. Simply connect the MC4 connectors, plug in the Anderson connector to the power station, and now for the obvious, position the solar panel to receive the most amount of sunlight. Now charge it up for about 5 hours and the Flashfish power generator should be just about fully charged. So now I don't even have to use the AC outlets in the house to charge up the power station for use during the peak hours. Now this will be perfect if you are camping out and flying your drones and there aren't any power outlets. Charge up the power station during the day and you can charge up your drone batteries at night to fly the next day. So there you have it guys, the Renogy's 100 watt 12 volt solar panel, the Flashfish 560 watt power station, and the Bateria Power's MC4 to Anderson power cable. A very simple, quick and easy way to use the power of the sun to harness the energy and store them for later use, especially during the peak hours when the energy costs the most. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.